Look at the sky. It's a little after 4 p.m. December 27, 2010. And that is our sky. Isn't that beautiful? After the sky, after the snow. That's Main Street. Love it. So beautiful. Except for the little beep 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 thing in the background. It's starting to snow again a little bit. I don't know if that's the wind or if that's really snowing. I don't know. You never know up here. It's crazy. So we got a little over 16 inches, they said. And I love the snow, but I really don't like it that Randy is driving in this. Cars are passing. Hello. Yeah, but the sky is really awesome, and I thought I would share that with you. It's so cool. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's like red and orange, and you can see. That's the infirmary across the street. Look at that building. It's awesome. Okay, those are my footprints. Ah! Sinking. And you see? That's how deep it is. Is. Everybody's waving at me. I'm not taking pictures of people in the car. I'm taking a picture of the sky. Randy would kill me if he knew I was out here in this, but I'm wrapped very, very warmly. Long johns upon long johns, pants, a couple of sweatshirts, a scarf, a hood, my new gloves. I just want to get that sky. Look at that. That is awesome cool. Alright. If you're wondering if I'm dressed warmly, yes I am. Yes I am. Sky looks like it's on fire. I love it. People are waving. Okay, wave all you want to. I'm not taking a picture of you! Okay. How you doing? It's cold. That's what I'm wearing. Love them boots. Ain't they great? Love them. See you later.